What's up guys? How you doing today? I got another quick unboxing video. As you know, I got the K&N intake for the GSF and AFE filter for it. So let's unbox it, show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here we go. AFE air filter for the GSF, RCF, probably ISF also. It is not oiled like the K&N filter, which is why I'm going to be using this. And that's basically it guys. Simple, quick unboxing for you. Supposedly this filter has better flow, less restriction with it. So I'm going to be running it with the K&N intake. Stay tuned for the springtime for the install video of this.